Lips 250.
Ayan na. Ito maganda yung puti. Hindi lang masasabi.
Ganda oh. Hello, another Charmaine. Size po natin is small. Size is small. Code po natin dito is O. Code natin is O. Size is small. Small po. Code natin is O. O4, 250, O250.
Ano magaganda? Ayan na, pinaflex ko na.
Gosh. Natago nyo pa yan, ha? Okay, eto. Size po natin is large. Size is large. Napakaganda, mami. Brazil. Code natin dito is Brazil. Code natin is Brazil. Ganda na ito. Size is med-large. Code natin is Brazil. Brazil for 250. Brazil 250. Eto. Pa-roses, mga bab. Branded by Pauline. Polynesia. Polynesia. Size is medium. Size is medium. Code is roses. Code natin is roses. Ganda. Paborda siya, mga bab. Code natin is roses. Roses for 250. Still ng 350. Eto. Branded by Primark din. Size is large. Yes, meron pong baby blue, Madam Shaira. Anong size mo sa baby blue? Eto, size po natin is large. Size is large. Code po natin dito is bulaklak. Code natin is bulaklak. 199 pesos. Bulaklak, 199. Ayan. Eto, baby blue, mga bab. XL na blouse, please. Sige, Madam Kim. Go tayo sa XL. Okay. Eto, size po natin is medium best fit. Size is medium. Code po natin dito is pickle. Pwede pang pickleball, mga bebe. Ganda o, bagong-bago. Code natin is pickle. Pickle for 250. Pickle 250. Ay, ito. Girls team. Cute. Ayan. Pa-minimalist siya. Code natin dito is US. Code natin is US. Size is medium best fit. Size is medium. River, ano to eh? Ano ba tong RR? Kalimutan ko, River Island ba or ano? Ayan, ang cute na to. Code natin dito is US. Code natin is US. Medium size. Code natin is US. US for 250. So, 350. Baby blue. Small to medium na baby blue. Sige, sige, madam. Ato baka bet mo din to. Ganda na ito, oh. Ay, kaso hindi siya hindi siya small, medium. Medium best fit, pwede hanggang semi-large. Ganda talaga na ito. Code natin is collar, mga bet. Code natin is collar. Ganda na ito sa very pa old money style. Code is collar. Collar for 250 pesos. Collar 250. Ay, eto. Ang ganda. Para siyang lace, mga beb. Size po natin is branded by Late Tucker ito. Branded by Late Tucker. Size po natin is medium best fit. Size is medium. Code po natin dito is lace. Code is lace. Lace for 199 pesos. Lace 199. Ito, branded by Primark to. Size po natin is small. Size is small. Code po natin dito ang ganda o. Code po natin dito is flowy, mga bag. Code natin is flowy. Flowy for 199 pesos. Spammy noodle. At size po natin is medium best fit. Size is medium. Code natin is Choco. Si Choco, 199 pesos lang din. Ang ganda ni Choco, mga BO. Bagay sa mga denim. Code natin is Choco. Size is medium. Choco, 199 pesos. Choco, 199. Ito pa. Oh, this one is original na Marks and Spencer's. Original Marks and Spencer's po. Size po natin is medium best fit. Original Marks and Spencer. Size po natin is medium best fit. Code natin is MS. Code natin is MS. Ganda na ito, oh. Code is MS. MS for 250. MS 250. Ito, branded by Junes. Ito, pa Marian Rivera style, mga beb. Pa Marian Rivera style. Ang cute na ito, oh. Pa muscle top. Size po natin is medium ang tag. Pwede ito hanggang medium large. Medium large, pwede. Code po natin dito is Pinky. Code natin is Pinky. Pinky for 250, still ng 350. Okay, ito, size po natin is small. Size is small. Code po natin dito is Blush. 99 pesos, Blush 99. Blush 99 pesos. Okay, next one. Ito, size po natin is small, medium. Daddy pa, stop ako ng ano. Baka kakainin lang niya. Eto, size po natin is small, medium. Size is small, medium. Ganda na ito, oh. Code po natin dito is, baby, mga bag. Code natin is baby. Size po natin is small. Code is baby. Baby for only 199 pesos. Baby 199. Naku, Primark yung Primark. Ginawa ko na lang 199. Ano ba naman yan? Okay, eto. Ay, pa Jenny Kim, mga bag. Pa Jenny Kim. Sobrang ganda. Branded by Primark din, mga bab, ha. So, these are important, mga bab. And branded. Size po natin is medium best fit. Code po natin dito is yellow. Code natin dito is yellow. Yellow for 199 pesos. Yellow, 199. Okay, next one. Ito,
Yes.
branded by New Look. Branded by New Look. Size po natin is small, medium. Size is small, medium. Code natin is minty. Code is minty. New Look pa ito, mga babaw, for only 199. New Look, 199.
Yours
Ay,
na si Blush,
minty.
Madam Adi Villar.
Minty, 199. Messy bun, just chillin'. Ang cute. Ang ganda ng print, be. Super nice. Size is medium on tag. Size is medium. Ang ganda ng kulay, oh. Code natin dito is avocado. Code natin is avocado. Ganda ng kulay.
Avocado.
Size is medium. Code is avocado. 199 pesos lang. Avocado, 199. Ito pa yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. So, napakaganda. Colorado. Ayan. Colorado. Super cute. Code po natin dito is collar. Code natin dito is collar. Collar for 250 pesos lang. Collar 250, collar 250. Ito, branded by Here and Now, mga beb. Size is large. Size is large, pa t-shirt style. Code po natin dito is bigger. Code po natin dito is bigger. Size po natin is large on tag. Size is large. Code is bigger. 199 pesos, 199. Wala na yung nag-aabot sa akin. Sinawaan na. Okay, eto. Size mo natin is small. Size is small. Ang cute. Ayan, very paragid style. Cute. Code po natin dito is sweet. Code natin is sweet, mga bang. Code natin is sweet. Sweet for only 199. Sweet 199. Nagutom na ako. Eto, branded by New Look. Stop na ni ano. Okay. Ito, size po natin is medium best fit. Size is medium. Code po natin dito is Army. Code natin is Army. Army for 150 pesos. Army 150.